What materials are suitable for Kirchhoff Furnace's atmosphere furnace? Come and explore it. The atmosphere furnace is suitable for a wide range of materials and is used in various industries. Various metalwork pieces and alloy powders can be annealed, brazed, and treated with anti-oxidation agents. New energy materials such as lithium battery powder and photovoltaic materials have stable sintering and reduction effects. Ceramic raw materials such as alumina and silicon nitride have a denser texture when sintered at high temperatures. Magnetic materials, catalysts, chemical powders, and hard alloys can all be easily processed. Accurate atmosphere control throughout the process, air isolation without oxidation, uniform temperature, suitable for both experiments and mass production. Welcome to Add WhatsApp, +8619138096 6 for more information.